Hey guys, it's Taya. I'm back. I feel like I've been gone for so long, guys. Well, thank you guys for coming back to another one of my videos. This video is gonna be a little different. Today I just wanted to show you guys how I relax, unwind, my spa day. Well, my version of a spa day, at home spa. It's gonna be kind of more like just a chill, unwind, get your muscles relaxed, because I know for me, whenever I go to the gym or I've just had like a really long week, I just need to do something to unwind. I'm just gonna be honest, and this is pretty much the best way that I have found to relax. I don't want to make this intro too long, so let's just go ahead and jump into the video. I'm gonna be starting off with my baby lotion. I like to use my Johnson & Johnson's baby lotion, and then I have some Epsom salt. I can either use the lavender, the eucalyptus, or the regular one, and I recently found out they sell them at the dollar store. So if you guys are on a budget, the dollar store is $1, right? Super affordable. So you guys can check that out, and they have different flavors there. I kind of stumbled upon it. Big ups to the dollar store for having Epsom salt. And I also like to use my essential oils, and I like to use Dr. Bronner soap, and I also have some Tiger Balm. So those are the products that I like to use. Epsom salt is great for just like, it helps with inflammation. It helps with tension in your muscles, to kind of alleviate some of that tension in your muscles. So this is why I love using or doing the Epsom salt bath. And then it also just kind of helps to relax you mentally. So sometimes we get stressed out. I know I do sometimes. So I will use this method just to kind of help me. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys now what I like to do in my bathtub process. I'm just gonna be filling up the bathtub with some hot water, warm to hot water, however, whatever temperature is comfortable for you. I prefer hot water. I love steaming hot water. Sometimes I have to let the bathtub cool off because I love hot water. So whatever works for you. And then I add my Epsom salt. Then I like to add my essential oils. Here I was using peppermint oil. You can use lavender if you like. You can use eucalyptus. There's so many different types of essential oils. I like peppermint and lavender. I usually stick to those two when I'm doing one of my Epsom salt soaks. Then I'm just going to be adding some shower gel, because we gotta have bubbles, so definitely gotta put that shower gel in. Sometimes I like to add in a little Vicks, so if you have Vicks, you can just take like a little finger scoop, just like a little dabble, I don't know what you would call it, like a finger scoop of Vicks, and you can just throw it in there, and it allows it pretty much melts into the water, and it kind of sends off those nice minty like aromas, that pepperminty kind of smell. So I didn't use any Vicks in this particular soap, but I definitely always use, I tend to use Vicks. So if you don't have any essential oils, you can always opt for the Vicks. To me, it works just as great. So I had a little Bath and Body Works candle. I used the mini size, and I just put it on the brim of the bathtub, and I just lit the candle, and just for some good vibes, just to help me relax. While I wait for the tub to fill up, I like to, whenever I'm like feeling tension, or whenever I'm just having one of my moments where I need to soak, it's usually because I'm dehydrated. So I like to go in and get a nice cup of water, or like a bottle of water, which I'm drinking now. Always gotta drink my water. I'll go in with coconut water. Today I didn't have any coconut water, so I just went in with plain water, and I just filled my bottle up with ice. And then after I filled that up with ice, I just poured in some bottled water. That's it. So I like to soak for like about maybe 45 minutes to an hour, just depending on how much time I need, how I'm feeling that day. I think this particular day I did like 45 minutes, and I just grabbed my I like to wear my tablet or my phone, usually my tablet, and just kind of unwind. Either I watch something inspirational, or I watch like one of my shows, catch up on some shows that I maybe missed on Netflix or something, or I like to catch up on like maybe like something that I missed, like a sermon or something. I just watched, I don't even remember, I watched something that day. I like to take my Johnson & Johnson's the baby lotion that I showed you guys in the beginning, and I just like to apply it everywhere. I like to mix that in with my Tiger Balm, and the Tiger Balm just kind of creates heat once it's like once you rub it into your skin. It kind of gives you that soothing feel. At first it might kind of burn a little bit because your pores are open, but after a while it just starts to soothe, and I really like it because it helps with like inflammation if your muscles are achy that day, or if you're like really sore, if you've injured yourself. I love to use my Vicks, or I'll go in with stronger version of the Vicks, which is the Tiger Balm, and I'll just apply that with some with my baby lotion. When I am doing a spa day or relaxing day, I like to grab some tea. I just want to relax a little bit. I think this day I had a cup of peppermint tea. I get a book or whatever that I want to read, usually some scriptures on healing, especially if I'm aching that day. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I just wanted to bring you something quick and simple on how I like to relax, and hopefully some of the tips that I've shared with you guys here, or my soaking experience that I shared with you here, can help you. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one.